Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology that enables machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. AI learns by analyzing huge amounts of data and identifying patterns that humans might miss. You already use AI every day through voice assistants, recommendations, translations, and smartphone features. AI is transforming healthcare, transportation, finance, education, and many other industries. Modern AI can create text, images, music, videos, and even software code from simple instructions. AI is changing how we work, learn, and create. Understanding AI today helps prepare for tomorrow.